Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial I'll be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the videos so you can easily learn SolidWorks. And I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, we pick the file and then new and then new SolidWorks document, template, parts, open, and then let's do the bottom or the top plane sketch. Automatically the top plane is in front of you, so let's do a center rectangular. So that's 100 millimeter. Automatically it will regenerate and then save the current value, and then 300 regenerate. Let's do maybe 250 regenerate. Okay, that's good. Then let's draw a circle. Put it as 50. Generate and press OK. Get out of the sketch and then extrude. Let's do a blind mid plane. Let's do the thickness supposed to be maybe 25 or 30 in millimeter, and then press OK. Now I wanted to draw another one sketch here, so sketch and then normal 2, and then let's sketch some rectangular corners. Now it's about maybe 25. Regenerate. Okay. Okay, let's get out of the drawing or the sketch, and then let's do another sketch on that side. Sketch. Let's do the measurement. 75. Regenerate. This one will be 55. Generate. 50. From here to here. It's about 80, 85. Now it's fully defined, and get out of the sketch and do the picture and then sweep boss. This one is the sketch profile, and now the direction will be like that. See that it shows now a solid word Let's do this one. Let's do the edit the sketch. Let's put it as 100. Regenerate. Now go to the picture or close. Sweep boss. That's the sketch profile and the path. Let's do the back again, the sketch. Let's put it as 100. Let's remove that one. Put this as a corner. It's good enough. But here will be another 225. Okay, let's get out of the drawing. Okay. Let's do another drawing here on the front, on the sketch. Let's do again here. That's 25. This one that is use shift key. Press this one and shift key and press the point. Coincident, it will go through inside. It will coincidentally perch on it. Okay. Let's get out of the drawing. So a bit again on the same stuff. And sketch. Sketch on this one. Okay. Let's go 160 and regenerate 120 and millimeter, regenerate and get out of the dialog box. That is 75. $43. Now it's fully defined. $175 in millimeter. Let's put it as 200. Let's go on the normal to check it out if it's good. Get out of the sketches pipe and then sweep boss. This one is the sketch profile, which is this one. You can see now there is a solid that's one through the from the path and get out of the drawing. Let's change the way it is. So I'll put another one here. here to here, 60 exactly. From here to here, 60 also. And then I'll cut this one. And this one is cut. So the measurement from here is 140. Okay, let's get out of the drawing. Now it comes like a more bend. And even here, let's go on the, we're gonna bend it. From here to here. Let's bend it. 40. From here to here. 40. So let's cut it here and here. So let's put a measurement again over my dimension at 40. And now this one will be different at 60. Let's cut it. And now this one, let's remove this one. And this one, remove it. Let's put something like 60. That's 125. That's good. Get out of there. Let's save it at 168. Let's put a hole in here. So there will be some hole. Let's make a sketch and a small hole like that. 20. In millimeter. That is 40. This one will be 50. That's good. So there will be a hole. So extrude until next. Now it's given a hole. There's a hole there. Let's this one. Now we put something like a jumper on this side. It's 20. And also here. And also here. And also here. Now it's jumper. Then let's put some hole with this hole. Wait a minute. Or this one. Oops. And metric. Up next. Then draw. here and here and here and here. Let's get over there. Okay. Let's do the edit the sketch. Hold down the shift key and then press the point. And this one is concentric. And this one, hold it by key and the edges. Oops. Hold the key. Concentric. And also the other one there. This one and this one, hold the key. Concentric. This one and this one, hold the key. Concentric. Now they are all concentric to each other. And get out of the dialog box. Now have a hole in it. Save. Now let's put a color on HSF 168. So let's put it as yellow, orange, red. That's cool. And also just this one. The color will be the base, which is yellow or blue or green or cyan. It says cyan. Okay. It's good. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and